Hello, I'm at SCS Formulate and I'm with Olivia Santoni, the CEO of Bloom Regulatory, regulatory advisor based in London. Olivia, you've been talking about the changing nature of regulatory
Exactly. So
issues
we had
this week.
a great talk about transversal regulation coming from outside of what we know from the cosmetic regulation, but more from political agenda, from legislation on sustainability and other type that are coming from chemical legislation as well. So it was good to make anyone aware about to look at all those conventions around what we are normally used to know as regulatory consultant. Huh?
Okay. And we're moving away from safety-based regulation to more sustainability, you'd say, and then we're seeing this in the EU Green Deal.
Exactly, we are seeing really a shift. So we know how to do safe product now for many years. That's been at the center of the attention of the regulator, so very quite knowledgeable with that. So we are now moving more to a sustainability agenda, which is you need to be safe, but also safe for the environment. And with all of the deforestation issue, the green chemistry, we are having this shift in terms of regulatory requirement that company needs to fulfill as part of their full supply chain now.
Okay, and this is EU, but also in the US and including China as well?
Exactly, in the US, yes. We see a lot of change in the US, coming from, in particular for PFAS, for instance, for forever chemical as an example, but also in terms of recycling requirement, in terms of packaging, a lot of US, Canada, Australia regulation coming into force as well.
Okay, very good. And so where does Bloom Regulatory come into it? What do you do?
Yeah, so we have been always focusing on cosmetic industry as a regulatory consultant, mainly in terms of the safety, the compliance, but we are starting to get more and more offering the services in terms of packaging requirements, in terms of sustainability requirements, looking at all those transversal, doing some audit as well for environmental green deeds to make sure that they are aware in time how to prepare for those regulations. So really helping them from the start to finish to their regulatory journey.
Very good. And what else is new with Bloom? What's new?
So we have been looking also a lot in terms of global solution as well. So we work a lot with the US in terms of making sure there is this sort of link between the US, UK and Europe. And we also work more and more, I would say, another part of the beauty segment, which is the food supplement, but also some devices, beauty devices that are becoming more and more interesting for the industry. So LED mask,
right.
Microneedling, laser.
So more into the medical side of things?
Yes, I would say that there is this grey area of where does the beauty stop. And we have now companies that used to do moisturizing for many years, and now they want to introduce a device as well as part of the routine.
So can Bloom help where that dividing line is?
Yes, we're working on the borderline, making sure we are still in the right category, so we're helping them to choose their regulatory pathway, and then advising on the safety aspect, the compliance, how to export those products. Not every country will feel the same about those products, and the labeling and claims.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you very much,
You're
Olivia.
welcome.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.